Hi guys. Today we are going to be having a bit of a quiz, and trust me, no My Little Pony this time. No, it's not like when I was 3 years old, trust me. It's going to be a brain quiz. So, we are going to be doing a question, or a big question. What's inside a pyramid? Yeah. So let me tell you something. The Great Pyramid of Giza on the banks of the River Nile in Egypt was built as a tomb to contain the body of Egypt's ruler, the pharaoh Khufu, I think. Yeah, it's Khufu. I'm sorry, Pharaoh, if I pronounced your name wrong. The huge pyramid is built from more than 2 million stone blocks stacked in 2,000 layers. Okay. Deep inside the pyramid, at the end of a long passage, is the king's chamber. Ooh, the king's chamber. I'm cool, I'm majestic, 'cause we live in the king's chamber. This room is contained Khufu's mummified remains. Today, the outside of the Great Pyramid is stepped. When it was first built, the stones were covered with a layer of polished limestone. In the middle of the chamber was originally called the Queen's Chamber. It is thought to have contained a statue of the king, as well as items such as furniture, tools and weapons. The Grand Gallery leads to the King's Chamber. It is nearly 50 metres, also known as 165 feet long. In one section, its ceiling is an incredible 8 metres high. Today's entrance was created in the year 820, in the 820th century. It was made by robbers when they were breaking into the pyramid. Now, I'll give you a little photo of a pyramid. Okay. Here's your exclusive look at a pyramid. Oh, I'm at the pyramid. More like I'm in my bedroom. In my bed. So, top quiz. Where is the Great Pyramid of Giza? I'll give you 3 seconds to answer that question. 3, 2, 1. The answer is in the River Nile in Egypt. Here we have our second question. What is inside the king's chamber? 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is it once contained Khufu's mummified remains. Final question. Question number 3. What is the Queen's Chamber now called? 3, 2, 1. The answer is the Middle Chamber. I'm sorry if that annoying voice was annoying. But why else would it be called annoying? An annoying voice. Sam, I complete the system. So guys, that was today's What's Inside a Pyramid. I'll be back in a few days to say, and in a few more days we'll say who were the Aztecs. Yeah, the Aztecs. Aztecs? Whatever it's called. Anyway, see you guys in a few days. Bye-bye.